Nick, come here. Show the camera what you have in your mouth. You refuse to chew. Nick, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. What are you going to do with that marshmallow? What are you going to do with it? What are you going to do with it? Are you just going to let it sit there? What are you going to do? What's your plan? Eat the marshmallow. Go on. Eat it. You can't just let it sit on the floor like that. Go on. Go on. Eat the marshmallow. Go on. Nick, eat the marshmallow. Eat it. Eat it. I'm not touching that. Nick, why can't you stay here and eat it? What are you doing? Did you get it? You got it! Yay! That took long enough. Say boop boy.